Hello, I'm in a 2016 Buick Encore, and today I'm going to show you where your aux port and USB port and charger ports are. So this is the base model I'm in. So from here, you've got a charger port right under this cover, and then under this cover you've got an aux port and a USB port. And then especially if you've got like an aftermarket radio installed, sometimes they run an extra cord off to the side or into your glove box, so worth checking here. And also there's a chance with higher trim models you might have chargers and different ports in here or back here for the rear, but I believe most models are like this where your main ports are all right here. And if for some reason some of these aren't working right, first I check fuses. Say if like all of this isn't working, there's a good chance you just need to replace a fuse. Say if just like one in particular is not working, you might have something loose behind the connection. So you might need to get back behind this dashboard plastic to reconnect or replace anything that's needed. But otherwise, I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.